Welcome back, everybody. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum. Today I'm asking you to join me on a virtual test drive of a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Really beautiful, the white interior with the top down. Door just opens like butter. That's really nice. The interior is beautiful. Everything's really clean. The cushions sit nice. Let's go ahead and start it up. All right, this is a new arrival, so we'll be going through this together. Looking at the gauges, half tank of fuel, has all the indicators for brake, generator, oil, engine temperature, speedometer, it has a clock. Does not look like it's working. Let's go ahead and check out the wipers. Low, high, goes back, that's good. It does have AC, so let's see. So blower kicks on. Already starting to get cold. Nice. All right, radio has AM, FM. Yep, radio works. All right, let's buckle up. Take this thing for a spin. Automatic transmission. It's not the sunniest of days, but it's still warm out, so any chance to get the top down. Purr's real nice. Drive straight. That. See if the horn works. Yep. Really comfortable. It does have the power top. I did use that to put it down. That works great. Boot looks real nice. Matches the interior perfectly. Power steering, you can just steer with one finger. Indicators work. Really smooth ride. Glass looks nice. You feel the bumps, but it's not a hard crash or anything like that. It's almost like rolling on the water a little bit. That engine purr is nice. Really clean, comfortable, good cruising car. Get up to 50 still pretty quick without even noticing it. Real quiet ride. The only thing you hear is just the tires whenever it hits a little bump or anything. The dash is super clean. Nothing's peeling off or anything. I like the stock look on these. I have to 3-point this one. Yeah, I'm looking at the dash. I don't see any cracks, tears. Someone took care of this like it was their own baby. As always, I appreciate you coming along this virtual test drive with me. Go ahead, click subscribe on the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications so you get the alerts every time we post one of these. And go to our website too, volocars.com. Jay does a whole write-up on these so you can find out the specs, pricing, and everything. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you next time.